We have another example on the board. This time we're supposed to find the derivative of function y is equal x to the sixth power. The formula which we are going to use this time is called the derivative of a constant times a power of x. Okay, so someone is going to ask me, where is my constant? Constant is always, in this case, invisible coefficient. Okay, so this is my invisible 1. So what I have to do, just remember, we have to write the formula first. So I have derivative of this function dy over dx is equal derivative of 1x to the 6th over dx. Okay, this is equal, according to the formula, I'm supposed to write the constant first. So I have 1 times the exponent, my 6 in this case, times x, and I have exponent minus 1. So I have 6 minus 1. So I can say that dy over dx is equal 6x to the 5th power. And this is the solution to my problem.